Minnesota Department of Public Safety recently finished a pilot project that could lead to new screening tools that could help law enforcement save lives on Minnesota roads.
And here, the Valley Today's Griffin Serio joins us live this morning from the VNL Safety Desk with all the details. Good morning, Griffin.
Good morning, guys. As we mentioned, the Minnesota Department of Public Safety recently finished that pilot project, which included 41 law enforcement agencies across 36 Minnesota counties. 2 oral fluid testing instruments were used. They included the Abbott Cytoxa Oral Fluid Mobile Test System, the Draeger instrument, which included both instruments that were evaluated to detect recent uses of 6 drug classes: amphetamines, benzodiazepines, cannabinoids, cocaine, methamphetamines, and opiates that can impair drivers, they say. It's similar to how a breath test is used to detect drunk driving, state officials say. The devices detected drugs in more than 87% of tests overall, and the more frequent drugs were marijuana, meth, amphetamines. But one statistic has officials worried when it comes to these individuals on the roads.
We detected more than one drug in 62% of these tests, more than one drug over half the time. And we found that 90% of drivers who tested positive for alcohol with a preliminary breath test also tested positive for one or more drugs at the same time.
With this program, this project was fully voluntary. If a driver agreed, they were then asked to provide an oral fluid sample for testing, but those samples couldn't be used in court and did not establish probable cause for a DWI arrest. As for the next steps of the results of the program have been sent to the Minnesota legislators for a review. Officials say legislative approval would be needed before the devices could be used by law enforcement across Minnesota. For the VNL Safety Desk, I'm Griffin Serio.